In this video I'm going to show you how you can link directly to a ClickBank checkout page. Doesn't matter which product you want to link to. I just went into green products here and I'm just going to pick this first one. Now the reason you might want to do this is if you don't like the sales page and you want to create your own sales page. After they look at your sales page, you want to send them directly to the checkout, not to their other sales page here, and you still need to get your commission. So to do that, you have to put in a certain command. Okay, so let's have a look. If we go down to the end of the page here where the Order Now button is, and first of all, if we put our mouse over this and do a right click and then do a copy link location. Now let me open Notepad here. Let's paste that in there. Now this tells us a few things here. This is the product number 1, and this is the vendor ID. We're going to need that. Now this is the link that you have to use to go directly to the checkout. I'm going to have to fill a few things out in here. Okay, so as you see, we have your ID, which is your ClickBank ID, the merchant ID, which is Magna Work, that goes there. Okay, I'll put my ID here. Okay, next the product number, which is 1. So we replace this with a 1. And then we need the product name. Now we can get that just by clicking on the Order Now button and then copying this up here. Now let's paste that, which says product name here. Okay, now there is our link. Now if we look here, if I roll down, you'll see it says affiliate equals none. Okay, so let's close this and open a new window. Okay, I'm going to take my link and I'm going to paste it in here. Click the enter key. When we roll down, you'll see that it has picked up my affiliate ID, so if somebody purchased through that, I would get the commission. So all you have to do is when you put a payment button on your page, just use that link or mask that link using a redirect. So that's how you can link directly to a ClickBank checkout page.